Hello children, we have seen subtraction of a one digit number from a two digit number with regrouping or borrowing. Today we will see subtraction of a two digit number from a two digit number with regrouping or borrowing. Clear? Two digit number from a two digit number with borrowing or regrouping. Now we all know that we start subtraction from ones column. So let's start marking ones column and tens column with the first sum. This is ones column. This is tens column. When do you do regrouping or when do you do borrowing? When the number in the minuend is smaller than the number in the subtrahend. Okay? When you cannot take a big number from a small number, you do borrowing. Clear? As you know, I have explained what are the terms of subtraction, that is minuend, subtrahend and difference in the previous class. If you have any doubts, please check in the previous class. Okay? Now, this 2 minus 8, we always start subtraction from the ones column. So, start subtracting. We cannot subtract 8 from 2 because 2 is smaller and 8 is bigger. So, what do? We borrow from tens from the ones column. So what will happen when you borrow one tens from the tens column? This number becomes 12 and immediately you have to write the before number here. This number becomes 6. Okay? Now let's start normal subtraction. Take 8 in your mind. Count till you get this number, big number. 8, count after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many fingers did you get? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will you write the number here as? 4. Clear? Now come to the tens column. 6 minus 3. 3 in your mind. Count after 3. 4, 5, 6. How many fingers you got? 1, 2, 3. So write 3. So the difference or the answer is 3, 4, 34. Clear? The difference or the answer is 3, 4, 34. Now come to the next sum. Mark ones column, tens column. They will not give you ones column and tens column. If you are in first class, they will give you ones column and tens column. When you come to second, third or higher classes, they don't give you ones column and tens column. They will directly give you 53 minus 46. Okay? You have to write ones column and tens column. You have to write the number yourself. Okay? Now, can you subtract 6 from number 3 here? No. So, what do? We do borrowing or regrouping. We borrow one tens from the tens column to this ones column. So the number becomes here is 1, 3, 13. And here in tens column, immediately you should write the before number. Keep that in your mind. I'll tell you for each and every problem because some children will forget writing this number here. They already borrow this one tens from this tens column to the ones column and they don't cut off this or write the previous number. They do 5 minus 4 again. That will be wrong. So you lose marks there. You will get 0 there then. 13 minus 6. So 6 in your mind. Count after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers did you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers you got here? 7. So write the number 7 here. Clear? Now when you subtract any number from itself, this is 4 minus 4. Any number from itself, you get the answer 0. Or you start counting from here. 4 in your mind. Count after 4 till 4 you have to count. Did you get any fingers here? No. You didn't get any fingers. So the answer is 0, 7. That is 7.
Hooray!
Clear?
Hooray!
We'll see one more. Come. First of all, what you should do, you should mark ones column and tens column. First you should see the number in the ones column on the top row should be bigger. But here this is smaller and the second number is bigger. Okay? So what you do, this in ones column, you check in ones column first. Okay? The number in the ones column, the first number should be bigger and the second number should be smaller. Okay? So here you cannot subtract 9 minus 4. 4 minus 9 can you do? I have 4 fingers here. I ask you to take out 9 fingers. How can you take out 9 fingers from 4 fingers? Because a teacher, I have only 4 fingers. I cannot remove 9 fingers. Right? Like that only. So what you should do now? You should do borrowing or regrouping. So borrow 1 tens from the tens column to the ones column. The number will become 14. Here the number will become the previous number 1. Immediately you should write this. I am telling you again and again. In tens column immediately you should write this. Otherwise you will get the answer wrong. Now count. Keep this small number in your mind 9. Count till you get this big number. So 9 in your mind. Count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers you got? 5. So write the number 5. When you subtract 1 minus 1, 0. You should tell immediately. 1 minus 1, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 10 minus 10, 0. 100 minus 100, 0. Okay? Now start marking ones column and tens column in the next sum. Here 6 is smaller than 7. So what do? We borrow. We borrow 1 tens from the tens column and write 1 here. The number becomes 16. Here the number becomes 2. Previous number or before number. Now 16 minus 7. 7 in your mind. Count after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Stop till you get this big number. How many fingers you got here? 5 in one hand, 4 in the other hand. So totally 9. So write 9 here. 2 minus 1. When you subtract 1 from any number, you get the before number. So what will be the answer? Before number of 2 is 1. So write 1. 1, 9, 19. Or else you can do 1 in your mind, count after 1, 2. 1. You get the same answer, 1. Okay? So the answer is 1, 9, 19. Come to the next one. Start marking from ones column, tens column. Can you subtract 8 from 1? No. So what do? We do regrouping or borrowing. So 1 tens from the tens column to the ones column becomes 11. The number becomes in the ones column is 11. This will become the before number, that is 7. So 11 minus 8. Can we take out 8 from number 11? Yes. So 8 in your mind. Count after 8. 9, 10, 11. What is the number? How many fingers you got? 3. So write 3. Okay. Come to the tens column now. When you subtract, okay. 7 minus 6. So 6 in your mind. Count after 6. 7. How many fingers you got? Or what is the number you got? 1. So the answer is 1, 3, 13. Clear, children? Now tell me what I should do first. First I should mark ones column, tens column. First. Next what I should see, this number should be bigger than this number. When this number is not bigger than the subtrahend number, minuend, if minuend is smaller than subtrahend, we do regrouping or borrowing. So you have to borrow 1 tens from the tens column. So this number will become 12. 12. This number will become the before number. Okay. Now start subtraction from ones column, normal subtraction. 8 in your mind. Count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers you got? 4. So write 4. When you subtract any number from itself, that is 3 minus 3, you get 0. So this is subtraction of a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number with regrouping. Clear, children? With this we have finished subtraction of 2-digit number from 2-digit number with regrouping, that is ones column and tens column. Okay? 1-digit number from 1-digit number, 1-digit number from 2-digit number, and 2-digit number from 2-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping. Okay? You should be clear now. If you are given any problem with subtraction, you should be able to do. So first you should mark ones column and tens column. Then you should see if this number is smaller, then you should do borrowing. If it is bigger, don't do borrowing, directly do subtraction. Clear? Okay.